Slide layout. The slide layout is the arrangement of text, images, charts, etc. on a particular slide. PowerPoint provides you with a variety of slide layouts you can choose as per your requirements. The slide layout gallery enables you to choose a layout for a slide. Some layouts hold only text, such as the title slide, section header, and title-only layouts. Other layouts include a title and content placeholders. For example, title and content, to content, comparison, and content with caption. MS PowerPoint
2016
includes 9 inbuilt slide layouts. You can also create custom layouts that meet your specific needs. Changing slide layout. You can apply a different slide layout in normal view if you feel that the slide's original layout is not suitable. To change the slide layout, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the slide of which you want to change the layout. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Layout drop-down arrow in the Slides group. Step 4. Choose the desired layout. PowerPoint applies the selected layout to the slide. The text in the slide will automatically adjust itself to the new layout.